Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson, here today to show you a 2019 Nautique G23. This particular G23 has the frost gray interior with the Admiral blue. Really nice, clean look, just a beautiful color here. This particular model, we pretty much put most everything in it. We got steer assist, we've got the Bimini, the big 8/8s, the MXC, stereo system, everything you would need in the G. The steer assist especially, that's a game changer when you're going to docks and restaurants on the lake, different things like that. Easy to turn, easy to spin it right in its own axis. But 450 H6 in the engine. The G23, ultimate machine for surfing, wakeboarding, everything you need to be on the water. Also, the 2019 does have the automatic towers now, so this particular model has a tower that goes backwards, which is really nice getting into lifts and around bridges. So come on down to Rogers, check out this boat and any others. Click the like button if you like this video, and also click subscribe to see this video and anything else that we have coming out.